Hello everyone, I'm Ariana with Current Energy. Welcome to our website. If you are a commercial building owner and thinking about going solar, you have come to the right website. Our videos will answer all your questions about commercial solar energy, like what will it cost to go solar? Are solar programs available for commercial buildings? Are there tax incentives available? What financing options are best? Can I lease my roof to a solar developer? And can a solar system damage my roof? And many other questions. You will see examples of various solar energy systems that we have installed and how these systems were uniquely customized to fit the building owner's individual financial needs and energy demands. You will be hearing commercial building owners like you talking about why solar energy is creating a better financial future for them and adding value to their properties. Current Energy specializes in building solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners. The managing partners of Current Energy have 30 years of combined experience designing, financing, installing, managing, and maintaining solar energy systems on all types of commercial property. There's just never been a better time to leverage solar energy. Tax incentives have never been higher, return on investment has never been faster, and energy costs keep rising. So call us today and we'll demonstrate how your rooftop will produce more revenue at a lower cost than you ever imagined. Thanks for watching this video and hope to talk to you soon.